So today discuss about the social innovation, fourth unit, second question. So social innovations means కొత్త మర్యాద, కొత్తదనము. Social innovations. Social innovations are new strategies, concept, ideas and organizations that meet social needs of all kinds, from working conditions and educations of community development and health. So social enterprises can be in innovations, and it also overship with innovations in public policy and governance. Next, new comprehensions is a bed of extension elements that first innovations are usually. Next, second innovations there are practice involved cutting across organizations disciplinary boundaries. Lastly, they level behind completing new relationship between preventions separate individuals and groups. Next, prominent innovators associated with the term include Praxtenia, Hackert, Ahmed Khan, Bangladeshi Mahmood Yunus, the founder of Gramina Bank, which pioneered concept of microcredit for supporting innovator in multiple developing countries, Asia, Africa and Latin America, and also in SPARE program. Next, social innovations is emerged worldwide as people realized that it times to work, it find new solution to the challenges facing our society. Internal sectoral approach and is applicable. Social innovations forces on the process of innovations, however change takes shapes. Next, explain that the US created of Office for Social Innovations in the White House, which is founding projects that combined public and private resource. Foundations that support social innovations, the Empire Union's innovation stages was the first well-founded research and development strategy and encourages social innovations. Public policy makes support social innovations in these different sectors. UK, Australia, China and Denmark. In 2002, the South African government, led by Primate and Social Inclusion Minister Mikrana, embraces into 10 years social innovation strategy with big investment in different approaches to tackle homelessness, school tensions, mental health and disability service reform, the common ground and street to the homelessness act invested and the absolute centers for the social innovations. Next, explain that in 2010 the US government listed the investment made by its social innovations fund, with public funding more than matched by philanthropic organizations. The fund focused on partnership with charities, social enterprises and business. Moreover, educational institutions are now increasingly supporting techniques and research in the areas of social innovations. Next, explain that local and regional development. Literature on social innovations in relations to territorial regional development over innovations in the social economy. Strategies for satisfactions of human needs and innovations in the senses of transferring and or sustaining social relations, especially governance relations at the re- regions and local level. Beginning in the late 1980s, Geolos Level and Frank Moeller researched social innovations in candid crisis intent the type of research. Social innovation, therefore, it increasingly seen as a process and a strategy to foster women development through solitary corporations and cultural adversity. Next, explain contents history. Social innovations was discussed in the writing of figures such as Peter Du- Peter Drucker and Mikhail Yoga, founders of the Open Universities and dozens of the organizations in the 1960s. Roosevelt, Jacques Fontaine and Jacques Atlar, however, the themes and concept in social innovation exist long before Benjamin Franklin, for examples. Many radical 19th century reforms the Robert however solves everyday problems. Many radical 19th centuries. So the great sociologist includes Karl Marx, Max Weber and Emile Durkheim focused attention on broader process of social change. Next, explain the development since 2000s. Topics include innovations in public service. Next, social entrepreneurship. Next, business, particularly in service, open sources innovations. Next, complex development system. Next, collaborates approach. Next, innovation diffusions. Next, localized influences. Next, institutions or system interpersonalship, which focused on agent who work at a broad system level in order to create the conditions which will allow innovations in our resisting impact. Next, the EU found URBACT program is designed to help cities to exchange and learn around urban policies. The URBACT methodology can be seen as a social innovations action planning approach. A typical URBACT network could have 10 cities working on a specific theme, such as activities includes or generations disadvantaged neighborhoods. They examine good practice and then working through a local support group is the result to inform that local action plan. The social innovation Erpan Institute, found by the Erpan's commissioners, directors general for enterprises and industry, was set up the map social innovations at the Erpan level by creating a director of grace roots example of social innovations from the across the 27 member states. Next, explain that the Emperor's Commissioner has found the SELU study between 2008 to 2013 that looked at over to 550 social ventures and examined examined our this insight can spoken changes and innovations at a much larger scale. UK being one of them identify which specific practice involved by social virtual search particularly successful. The Empresses Commission has launched a new institute in 2013 Urban FP7 founding BENISI project with the BINSIP project with the aim to blind a network a incubates for the social innovations across regions and continues. This network facilitates identification of 300 social innovations. Examples and facilities its scaling. The network is organized in a way to identify new models for scaling of social innovation across various geographical culture calculators and collaborations with each other's communications the ideas founding the tools and funds development business plan and models in order to promote the new promising ideas throughout workforce. A guide also exists that provide a way to promote social innovations as a social or regional level. Okay, thank you. Innovation class innovations one year lo completes that innovations. Okay.